In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM in email marketing. We're going to set this up using a ready-made template, which is a great option if you want to save time and start with a structure that's already designed for email marketing workflows. Instead of building everything from scratch, you'll be using the platform's template center to quickly create a CRM-style board that can help you organize campaigns, contacts, and progress more efficiently. To begin, go to your workspace and look for the plus icon beside it. This is where you can create something new inside your account. Click that plus icon to open the creation options. This is the starting point for adding a new board, which will become the foundation of your email marketing CRM. Once the menu opens, click on Board and then choose Start with Template. This is important because it takes you directly into the template library instead of opening a blank board. If you were to start from scratch, you'd need to manually build out each section yourself. So using a template makes the process faster and much more streamlined. After that, you'll arrive in the template center. In the search bar, type in email. This helps narrow down the available templates so you can quickly find the one that fits your needs. If you see multiple results, don't worry. The goal here is simply to locate the template specifically built for email marketing. Next, click on Email Marketing from the search results. This opens the template preview, where you can review the setup before adding it to your workspace. At this stage, it's helpful to take a quick look at what the template includes so you know what you'll be working with. Typically, these templates are designed to give you a useful starting layout for managing campaigns and related tasks. Finally, click on Use Template. This will create the board in your workspace and set up your email marketing CRM using the selected template. Once it loads, you'll have a working structure in place that you can begin customizing for your own process. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly create a CRM for email marketing without having to build everything manually. Using a template is one of the easiest ways to get organized fast, especially if you want a simple setup that's ready to adapt to your workflow.